Yeah, Tommy's working on this. Let me see if it changes when we go to here. Let's see, we got about an hour or so today. Won't be a long meeting, in other words. Why did my message fail to send? Let's see, video. Let me see this. Interesting. I don't know if you can see that though. Let me see here. How's everybody weekend going? VIPers in the house. Why is it having trouble sending one message? All right, I think we're golden. Yep, we're live on TikTok, YouTube. Pin your goal. I don't care about no goals on that. Join audio. What? The host is. What's up, Orlando? Can you guys hear me okay in VIP land? Yes or no? What's up? Amen and Benish, David, Doughboy, Fayez, John, John Sturd, Larry Cooper, Gary, Larry Cooper, God bless. Dang it, he beat me again. Orlando and Priscilla. Can you guys hear me? Yes or no? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. Ah. What's up, John C., Paul, Doughboy? Can you guys hear me? Is that a no? I'm confused. Hello? Earth to people. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's a no. Da. 15, 30, 40. See, yeah, it does really great on everything except the fastest time period. Oh, what the fuck? How do you not hear me? Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Yep, no, there's sound.
Yep, no, there's sound.
Yes, I can hear you. What's up, HDSS3837? What's up, Kenny? Interesting. How can there be, oh, I know what it is. How about now? Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Still no?
Recording in progress.
Nope, I hear people.
We can hear you.
We can hear you. Yeah, I heard you guys too. All right, cool. I don't know what that was about. I was gonna say I have way too many updates. I wasn't gonna update this thing again. We just weren't gonna have a live. How's everybody weekend doing? You guys have a good one going? What's up, Kim the Candle Envy Lady? What's up, Kenny? TikTokers, YouTube, Twitchers, blah, 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 whatever. That's a good song. I should play that song for you guys. All right, I know I'm live. Who the fuck is this dickhead? Oh. I was gonna have to get pissy with some people on TikTok. Where the heck is the safety trade at? See, this is what annoys me with TikTok. They do everything in their power to not show people the live. Crazy fucks. Any rate, live on TikTok. Yes, we're doing it. Yes, we're there. Boy, TikTok, I swear. Does anybody have any questions before we get going? Just answered a whole shit ton of emails. Hi guys, great. Is this thing good? Okay. Now, where are we on our camera work here? Let's see. Did Basil have a, yes, Basil had a very nice weekend. Matter of fact, he's still enjoying his weekend. Him and Britt are going around doing a nice weekend this weekend. Yes, coach, hope everyone had a nice weekend too. Yes, I'm glad you are. Not bad, says Johnster. Good. Yes, said David. Good now. Priscilla. All right. What's up, Jamie Rojo? What's up, Big D? Does everybody know what they're looking at on this screen right here? Let's see. What the old gods knew. I wonder how much trouble I'll get in if I play this one song. I don't know, they might not like it. Let's see.
Yo, tell them. Yo, I trade anyone told let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP and you go and start it low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and locked.
I know you guys know that song. I don't know if this is the right one. Hold
If
on.
you've traded options before and you keep being right about the market but still losing money,
Don't skip this.
They're gonna get pissy about this, boy.
Ships on bigger of the waves of
Now that is a good one. That is a good one. Let me see if this is the one I want, though. That's also a good one. This is the one. This is good right here. Can you hear it now? What's up, Mike Jones? Listen to this one. Should be a song for Game of Thrones. You're out of a nut video. Damn, really? How about now? You want to hear this one? Oh, fuck you, TikTok. Not original content. Go fuck yourself. Is that original? They're gonna give me a strike for this. They're gonna hate this. But it's too good of a song. Legends rise when the brave have grown. Now the whole world here when the north wind moans. I'm playing this song. We're probably gonna get a little thing from YouTube, but anyway, playing the song for people. I don't know if they like it or not, but I don't care. I love it. I love you, bro. Hope you have fun. We're gonna have to get a safety trade song in this style. Now, I don't care if you guys like it. Sorry if you don't like it, but we're gonna listen to it one more time. So go do something else. If you don't like this song, I can't help you. Good luck. Fire in the sky. I'm telling you, Game of Thrones. I don't know, the tall, dark, whatever his name is, that show. Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know. Steel in the hand when the long ships sail, cold in the lungs when the night winds wail. Came from the frost where the brave don't fail. Every star got a story to tell. Drums in the dark when the war horns cry. Storm in the chest like the northern sky. If I walk through fire, I don't ask why. Kings rise once, but the legends never die. I don't run when the thunder crack. Stand my ground when the wolves attack. Whole world cold, but I build
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.
Calling me home where the old guys stand. Through the storm and the blood red sand. The sky falls down and the rivers run slow. Hear my name in the winter snow.
Yeah, run through the storm with a heart that's cold. Fire in the soul, never doing what I'm told. Raised in the north where the warriors grow. Blood on the shield.
Yeah, I can already feel TikTok and YouTube getting their ban button ready. Block this motherfucker. He's playing good music. Now look at this. Watch in wonderment what you're seeing here.
Legends rise with the brave have grown. Now the whole world here when the north wind moans.
Warrior heart, never fall apart. Through the snow, we are reborn. Calling me home, through the fire and snow. Voices of the north, the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow.
Oh, it's kick-ass old school, Mick. You can jam this loud in your house. Holy fuck. All right, I won't bore you guys any more of that, but I'm telling you, it's a fucking kick-ass song.
Cold wind rising,
Fire in the sky.
calling me home through the fire and snow.
We can back test
Voices of the north in
the new
cold
Tommy
wind
gun.
Shadows in the night.
Holy fuck!
Stars still glow.
I can already hear the strikes coming.
Fall tonight. Let the whole world know.
Look,
calling me home where the old gods stand. Through the storm and the blood
watch.
sand. The sky falls down and the rivers run slow. Hear my name in the winter snow.
Steel in the hand when the long ships sail. Cold in the lungs
back
when the
test
lions wail.
the motherfucking Tommy gun, bitches. Woo! What's up, Eric R?
Storm in the chest like the northern sky. If I walk through fire, I don't ask why. Kings rise once, but the legends never die. I don't run when the thunder crack. Stand my ground when the wolves attack. Whole world cold, but I build like stone. If the crown fall down, I'll take that throne.
Calling me home through the fire and snow. Voices of the north in the cold wind blow.
Still moving.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.
I figure if they were gonna ban me, they might as well give me a good ban. Oh, it's over. No, no. So,
Run through the storm with a heart that's cold. Fire in the soul, never doing what I'm told. Raised in the north with the warriors grow. Blood on the shield when the battle horns blow. Look at the place when the rhythm collide. Thundering side when the lightning
Still going?
strike. Living like bulls in
Yeah,
the dead
still
of the
going.
night. If you stand in the way, then you better take flight. I bring the frost when I step in the zone. Voice like thunder when I'm gripping the throne. Legends rise with the brave have grown. Here when the north wind moans.
this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Never fall apart.
I've been playing it so much, it's been driving Bree nuts. This is interesting. This should be a catch right there. That's interesting. I can see why it didn't now, though, because of this. No, it's not supposed to be taking that into account. Well, let's keep rolling with it and see. Because it turned yellow. I have the screenshots of it turning yellow. So it is calling out the new ones, but I think it's because Spy is under right here. What's up, Miss Liz? Yeah, it's a freaking great song. I got one. Oh, crazy baby. Oh, well, now I got to play the song again because it must not have sent. Is it still going? Now, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go back a little further, but I think we got it going now. So let's see if we can go back here. Yes. We're going to come back to here. When the old guards go. Let's see if we can go back to here. This should give us plenty. What time period is this on? Yeah, let's see how this goes. There we go. Now let's see it go. Maybe not 10 times. Let's see how it looks like this. It does not look like it's going the way it needs to. Hold on. Now it's moving. You can see the sniper moving. Hold on just a second.
Through the storm, we are reborn.
I'm going to show you after workout. Just playing the song for a quick second for the people. Love you, baby. Have a good workout.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. All the night.
All the night. Would the world still know? No. Normally speaking, the bots do not work with replay. Tommy has fixed this one where it can be working with replay. So that's Tommy. 1 second, 5 second. Ooh, probably shouldn't have this on the 1 second. That's my fault. Yeah, let's see how this works on the 5 second. My bad. See, it's automatically adapting to your system. Okay. Now let's see. Yep, working. All right, now we have the 5 second, 10 second. Tommy's going to rework this though. We need the 10 second here and the 20 second. We can't do this. So it's going to have to be quicker. Even if we do the 10 second, 15 second ones, it still needs to be quicker. Now, we're going to have to find our spots, but I don't know why I can't see where I was last night, because I thought when I was testing this last night, I had it working really good. Let me see something really quick. When the old gods go, no, that's not what we wanted. Did I send it to Tommy? Where the old gods go. Oh, well, that's funny. Yeah, there we go. I knew we had it. Now, this is it flashing the signs. Very concerned that Tommy is going to have an issue when they're all under with this. We might have to put, like, redo the logic on that one. Because we're going to need these all red, these all green. Then when they flip over, they're going to be the lagging ones. But I don't know if I can necessarily like that. You can see, look at the sniper going through everything so fast. Isn't that crazy? 104 degrees. Hello. What's up, Graw Moon? Where you at, Graw Moon? Sounds like you're in Vegas. Interesting that we're flying through this, but we are on the 10-second. Maybe I should go up to the 10-second here. We'll wait for this to quit thinking. It's so much faster now, too. Ooh. It errored because it's on a 5-second one, watch. The 5-second will work. Yeah, we got to set it to the time period that it's showing. In this case, 5 seconds is the lowest. Yeah, so that's why. I don't know why it's taking so long to get me up there, but of course I do get bored easily. All right. Annie, Rob, Amen, and Benish, any questions? What you're looking at is your upgrade of the Uno Reverse Keith bot. This is a VIP exclusive. This is your Tommy gun only for you guys. And yes, it is working. And yes, you already have a version, but we're tweaking it as you speak. As a matter of fact, it's going to start finding opposites for you too. So this is 5 seconds. I have to leave it either on 1 second or 5 seconds because I have a replay going, which I shouldn't have done. I should have did it on a faster time, like a 30-second, 45-second, maybe even a minute, so you guys can see it better. But as it is, this is what it's showing. So when you see these dollar signs, you'll know to take the trade when this pops like this. And you can tell it gets very boring when you're waiting for this stuff to switch. Extremely boring. I mean, we might have to go way, way back. I don't know. Because it's going to be about once a day for the reversals, what I'll be looking at for you guys if I catch it. If not 2-3 times a week, I'll be using this to make your calls for you. We're hitting that 15-minute. We should up the thing to the 15-minute chart to see what it looks like. I swear, look at it going. It's just thinking so fast. It's whipping through 10 times the calculations of 5 seconds. So these little things you see flashing are just flipping through. Boy, they're moving a mile a minute to check for these. That's crazy. Tommy is the man, though. TikTokers, any questions? YouTubers, any questions? All right. Well, VIPers, this is fun, but I'm bored out of my mind, and we're supposed to check this, but I can't. It's just too slow. Yeah, it's just, but it's coming, so you're good. I'll keep checking it on my leisure. I won't bore you guys with the checks. But it is really nice, very functional. What's up, John? This is the Uno reverse Keith bot. And this is the version that you guys have also in VIP, your Tommy gun. Back in Ohio. Well, I'm glad you got to go to Sandestin and Destin. They're all the same down there, by the way. If John went to one, I'm sure he was at the other. They're real close. Yes, it was great. Awesome, John. Yay. Look at all these I'm testing. You guys only knew. Lordy, lordy. All right. All right, peepee weepies. Let the big time go. Spy. Later today, Spy will open. When Spy opens, we'll be looking for a certain thing. Look at Tesla. Gold for that matter, too. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Spy. 30-minute what? What is this, VIPers? Oh, gorgeous. It's technically a 30-minute, but I'm sure it's 45 then. Yeah. 45-minute buy, stop. I think it's going to form into the 1 hour. Close enough. It's a fill in the gap, but that's close enough. 1 hour buy, Spy. So this is your daily to the next 2 or 3 day call. I'm going to stick with my take profits up here. 777, 7777, 778, 77938. Those will be your take profits for Spy. It is a 45-minute, 1 hour fill in the gap buy stop, but it's, I'm calling it a 1 hour, 2 hour because I think it's just too close. Now, will it go down before there? Let's take a look. Oh, we don't want to go down there. Sorry. I want to leave this up here so you guys can see the true power. What you're looking at with all these green lines right here are all my correct calls for the sells. The purple I called for the week, and this is the high for the week I called. This is from last Thursday, not this previous Thursday, the Thursday before then, August the 4th. So basically, you've been playing Spy inside of here the whole entire time, and it's not going to quit, actually. It's going to go up again. It's going to do this exact same fill-in-the-gap trade right here. It's going to go up to here. So the new movement I'm going to give you guys, a new high, is going to be right here. Boop. This is going to be your new high for the week and your new low. Now, how low is it going to go? I'll tell you that in a second. But for, oh, I don't want to do that again. Damn, I keep trying to give you guys information there. I can't do. There we go. Gonna be the one. Spy. $10-hour. How high is Spy going to, Doughboy? Any VIP. Record highs, correct. Record highs for whom? Itself, and what are we waiting for? Barbecue, Doughboy said. NQ, NAS, correct, Doughboy. All right, so that's what we're waiting for Spy to do, NAS to do, NQ to do. All of them, ES1, SPX, they're all going to do it. Let's see if there's any kind of sell we have going on. It's definitely a little sell I can see from this hook right there. Sell to the 15 second. Let's hear this on the 10 second. I love how it works reading everything. I don't like how it's doing it on the faster time frame. It's not giving us the 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 50. It needs to do that. So Tommy's probably going to hardwire that in for us. Yes, so we have a 10 second, 15 second. Okay, so 10 second. We're not there yet. Let me see one more, and then we'll go look manually. Okay, is it coming up? There we go. So it's not even to the 5 seconds. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go over to here. Yes, why not? All right, so if we know what SPY is going to do basically for the day and for the next 2 or 3 days, which means it's going to go up, which means the others are going to go up. Does that mean they're coming down at all? I want to see if the sniper rifle is showing a downward movement. And if so, can we confirm that with SQQ, with an upward movement? Let's see. All right, let's see what we got over here. The old Gaza new. SPY is going to need to pull down further. Tommy's fixing the sniper rifle too, by the way, as you speak. TradingView did a change to their hard code to the Pine script. Those idiots made things worse. I had a fun church with my little girl. I told Tommy you all say hi. So you guys should all say hi to Tommy. Coach, is this NAS lagging to drop or leading the rise? Checking with SQQ, it looks like NAS is lagging on the faster time frames. Very good question. Say hi to everyone for me. Oh, how precious. Hi, Tommy and Bree. Hi, Tommy. Thanks for your work. Very much appreciate your yeah, right? Hi, Tommy. Thank you. Hi, Tommy. Yep, they're all saying hi. Yay. He's at church with his baby girl. They're so sweet. He's a good dad. Very good dad. So do I think is what was being asked is, do I think that is one leading or one following? And which one, I guess, is the question. What do I think? Well, this is what I would think. It's gone entirely too high for too long, so we need to pull back on the indices in general. So even though it's not really showing it, we're not going to play this current one until it dips down further. 15-second too high. Yeah. Where's my thing here? Oh, there it is. So my question to your question would be, I would let them all turn red. All of these turn back to red and then flip to green. Now, if you can get the green set up before, then use it. But, you know, if you can get it to look like this, exactly this, when it turns to green, these are red, these are green, right? This is fine. You can take those trades for sure when that happens. There's been a lot of people golfing today. Nice. Okay. So for my call outs, I would call a 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, sell all indices to their blue lines respectively. I don't care if it doesn't go there or it's taking its time to get there. That's what it needs to do. After that, bada boom bop bee, bada boop bop bee. That's a 1 minute buy. That's an SPX, NAS, SPY. These are 1 minute buys. Damn. Gonna be the 2 minute buy, SPY, stop to the blue line, 77641, 77624, 2 minute buy. 2 minute sell, SQQ 3620. With the old gods and new, 5 minutes sell, 5 minute buy, 5 minutes sell, 10 minute sell, 15 minute. I already did it. 30. Remember, we were a part of this. We've been calling this hour trade for a while now. Yeah, we're not done with the hour buy on SPY. So even if it dips just a little, that's cool. NQ, buy. SPX. Oh, 1 hour buy. ES1, 1 hour buy. SPY, 1 hour buy. Take profit, 77654. 77713, 7777, 77832, 7977780. And that is SPY.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And I really like this sell, so I might look at this later after market open. I think this sell for the next till Wednesday-ish, this sell on SQQ 1 hour is just beautiful. 35.71, 35.99, 36.10 on a sell for SQQ. So this is a still continuation of my call out from here. Nope, from here. When I went over this is it. I do not think it will go up today, but in the next 1 to 2 trading days after the weekend, it will go to the following take profits for SPY. 1 hour, 30 minute buy stop. The trade has a little bit lower to go because the 30 minute blue line isn't at the bottom. Now, 9 of you like this. but there has been about 37 of you, 38 of you look at this. This is very interesting that you can't even give a thumbs up. I don't care. These are your take profits, though. These will be hit tonight, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. That's what I'll be going to. And that's what I called, and that's what it's doing. Told you it had to come down a little lower. That's on your 1 hour there, but this is a 30-minute I was reading for you a while ago. See? There you go. Yep, it's going to hook, come back up, touch yellow line, green, previous yellow, previous orange, previous non-wick tie, and then previous wick tie. That's what this will be going to. So ES1, SPX, NQ, SPY, and NAS are all buy stops. 1 hour specifically to the previous orange lines, which means that SQQ is your sell. Sevens, if you guys got that, yes. Any questions over that? This is fun, isn't this fun? Keeping the pivot at the 30-minute, can I try to enter the NAS buy to the high? Absolutely. The NAS? Let's look at NAS closer. He wants to look at the 30-minute. Just look at how gorgeous these are. Consolidation up, consolidation down, consolidation down, consolidation down, consolidation up, consolidation, sideways moving market, right? Up, sideways moving market, up, sideways moving up, and then it will do it. So your 30-minute for where you're at, you can put your stop. Now NAS is big stop loss. If you want to look at something with not quite as big stop loss, you can definitely check out ES1 or SPX. Some of you don't really get the, that they all happen at the same time, but anywho, yes. Now, will this tap you out? I don't know the answer to that question because we don't care how low it goes. We want it to go super low. But let me go down here and see if I can see any kind of numbers. Yeah, I don't think we're going to go that low. No. So if you forced my hand, I would say you're safe at the stop loss at $7,773.68 for SPX, which if you look, really isn't that much of a stop loss. Let me see how many pips it's saying it is, but somewhere around there to where it's at currently. 4 or 5 pips, yeah. So even 5 pips stop loss is perfectly fine on here, no problem. You can give it a try, absolutely. Enter in on any SPX or NAS buy stop you can find, including the 30-minute, 45-minute, hell, the 1 hour is technically, yeah, see, 1 hour is broke, told you. On this one, look, see that? 1 hour. Pink, purple, blue, almost to the bottom. We haven't seen the pink cross yet, so this may not be the low, but I'd be willing to risk it, absolutely. Put your stop loss right there and let it run. $7,784, 7790, 7795, 7800, 7800, 7807, 7815. So let's take a look at NAS and tell him his actuals on NAS. It's going to be a little bit more of a stop loss because you don't have a choice. NAS is, about 5 to 7 times bigger than, sure. Yeah, that's 100 pip. That's too much on NAS. I would be very careful with 100 pip stop loss. I would never do that actually, but whatever. But yes, this is a beautiful trade. Yes, it's going to go up. Yes, it's going to finish going to those same numbers I told you a minute ago. 30,066, 30,110, 30,160. NAS will be going to a record high, by the way, so will NQ. This week, it'll finish it out this week. All right, This is fun. Any other symbols you guys want me to check, especially VIPers? TikTok, YouTubers. Any other symbols you guys want me to check? Ask now. These are just so easy. I probably should read gold for you now, too. I'm 6 trades away from my goal on XSP. Nice, old school Mick. Yay. Tesla and gold. Absolutely. Let's take a look at Tesla and gold. Tesla and gold. One is Tesla. One is gold. Tesla high and low for the week, for the day, for the month. What Tesla do you want for the week? 15-second sell to the blue line. Tesla sell to 341.43 on a 15-second sell. 1 minute, no. 5 minute, sure. Buy. $10-minute. Buy. 15-minute buy. Tesla buy 342.21, 343.04, 344.95, 347.68, 350. And that's happening this week. The buy, the 20-minute Tesla buy is happening. Where the olds and it goes. Buy to the 30-minute blue line Tesla for the week, $350.40, $350.40.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Towards the 1 hour blue line, $360. Those are options I would look at, by the way. Ooh, not as strong. 5 hour. 10 hour sell. 12 hour sell Tesla. Yep. Hooking this week, Tesla will either go and hook that way, or it will go into the channel and hook that way, or Tesla will go above the channel and hook that way. Will this be done in the week? I don't know about to the daily blue line this week. It'll get close, but it's going to go up here first. So that 365, 370, 350 to 360 will be my weekly call for Tesla. If Kim or somebody could write that down, that'll be your high. The low is a little trickier. I don't know if it can engage and get down. I would say within a couple weeks it'll be there. But within the week, 330, 325, and then it's just going to go lower, 319, 300. I can see Tesla going back down to 300. Now, longer term, longer like Big Red, you can't beat this. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop. You just love it, weekly. Just love this. Oh. So longer. I would say within 3 to 6 months, preferably 6, because this is a little bit longer here. You're going to see Tesla back to 372, 400, 450, and it's going to go over 500, and that's Tesla.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, Lachey Trades? What's up, Win with Ryan? Yep, people want me to look at gold. Let me look at gold next. See, we're good on Tesla. I was very, very specific, so hopefully that helps you. Oh, they probably want real gold. Let me do real gold here. Okay, this is gold. Well, I'll give gold the full read, whatever you guys want. We'll start from down here. Gold's always a buy. Gold buy to 4,376.59 on a 10-second buy. Nope, can't call that. Nope, really. Sell gold to the 2-minute blue line, $4,368.71. Wouldn't take the sell, only do buys. 15-minute buy. Love this one, $4,388.63, $4,400 an ounce on a 15-minute buy. Yep, can't call that. And then it's in 1 hour. This is going to go big. This is going to go up big. You can tell because this is all, see the red right here? Now this turned to green and your blue is still low. Making this blue, remember I touched this the other day, VIPers. This is making this blue the buy stop, the full-on buy stop on a 1 hour. It hasn't even started to go up yet. 2 hour hasn't gone up yet. 3 hours up. See that? So we're going to definitely be heading back to 4,450 on gold for the week. This is weekly calls, so it's going to go to here. Let me see if I'm going to do that. Yeah, it's not going to blow there. I'll change that as we go forward to the 2 hour. 7 hour, 9 hour fill in the gap, 10 hour fill in the gap, definitely going up. Daily, oh God, it's a daily sell, but I wouldn't touch it. Yeah. Yeah, that's your low. Yeah. Yes, old school, Mick. Everything I call for gold applies for gold.com. And then the opposite. You guys know the opposite one. Gold buy to 47.68. Gold buy to 5,000, 5,100, 5,200, 5,400. Gold will be going above 5,600 by the time this pink line is done going up to the top and flatlining. Gold will be back up to its previous high. And that is gold.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, One with Ryan? Happy Sunday to you too, sir. BBAI. Is that what you want me to check? What the heck is that? BBAI. I don't know what that is. BBAI. Big Bear AI. Is that really something? I don't know what that is. Never heard of such. All right, let me see if I can get a 3-month read real quick. Nope, too high. Monthly. Ooh. Sell 3 week. That's bad. What the heck? Was there something up here? This is terrible. This is a daily, weekly sell to $2.76. You're welcome, Johnster. I don't like this at all. What is this thing? I don't like this. Let me see, maybe a 10 hours better. No, it's a sell. 5 hour, he must be going real quick. Hold on. When with Ryan isn't silly. He knows what he's doing. 35 minute, 45 minute. There you go. 45 minute buy, BBAI to $3.35. To the, yeah, why not? To the 2 hour blue line, $3.89. To the 4 hour blue line, $4. See this right here, it's red, red, red now. It's still flipping up. You can see the upward movement. I'm not going to call to the 5 hour, but it's got a good shot of getting there. 7 hour, 9 hour. All right, this is a sell 9 hour. The pink hasn't come down yet. The purple's still high. The blue's still high. You're going to see an arch way up here and then hook and come back down, whatever this thing is. 10 hour. 12 hour, let me see. It's really a challenge to call these high ones. I'd be very leery of this win with Ryan. There's better symbols than that. It's okay, but.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
He said, okay, let's do lift. That's funny. Ooh, lift. shift like that. Let's see. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it also has shitty. Not enough higher time frame calls, and they're all sells. Monthly, 3-monthly sell to $9.43. Must be a quicker one up here though. Ah. And now this is a 5-hour, 10-hour buy. We can do it. Fill in the gap, 10-hour. We missed the 5-hour. Fuck! All right, let me see something real quick. We got to check this out. 5-hour buy stop to the blue line. Yep, see? When there's this, like you guys in VIP, pay attention to this. When there's a 5-hour, 10-hour buy stop to the blue lines of each, look at lift. 5-hour buy stop to the blue line, the exact same time that 10 hours happening. See it? Damn. Why am I damning that? Because we missed it. And there's your 12-hour. And then there it is to the daily. So you have a buy stop. Yeah, we can work with this, Ryan. To the daily blue line. Now, I don't know how much volume's in on this shit, but yeah, this is nice. Lift, buy until $20. You might as well just buy the stock, to be honest with you. $17, whatever it's at, it's going to go to $18.50, $19.50, $20. It's going to have to dip first, though. I don't like this pink being this high on the daily. It needs to come down a little more. Let me see this 10-hour. It's in the middle of it. It's going to go, lift is going to go to $18.14 fast. Then we need the pullback. Nice one, though. I like lift.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Much better than the previous one you asked about. All right, I think I'm about done. Any more call-outs you guys want me to do before I call this one done? Tomorrow's Monday. We'll be working on a lot of stuff during the week. We have a lot of stuff coming up, of which I hope my VIPers that are ready to be announcing their retirement by the end of the week. No, in 2 weeks, that we have some good information from you guys come tomorrow. I want to hear your guys' reasons and how you're going with your retirement movement. All right, TikTokers got to go. 0 people on TikTok. Oh my God. That's funny. YouTubers, I'm going to head out just to VIP land. God bless you. You're in Nokia. Come on, Ryan. Join the damn VIP, buddy. Nokia. N-O-K-I-A. Let's see. Now, I know we looked at Nokia a lot, so let me see what we got on this. Thank you, old school Mick. Daily, maybe? Weekly, for sure. Daily, weekly buy, Nokia. It's going to go back to, what is that, $10? Yeah. $10, $11, $12, $13. Let me see something over here, though. Boy, you got to be careful with that. Let me see this 5-hour. Sell to the 5-hour. Ricochet to the 3-hour. Sell to the 2-hour. Nokia, 2-hour sell. $7.62. I think he can avoid that pull down, though. I think he's going to miss it. Maybe. 10-hour, 12-hour buy, daily buy. I love this day. You're right. I would look at this daily, weekly buy somewhere in the range of like $11, $11.15 for your strike. I would go out a little bit, though. I would hold this. If you own it, it's not a bad one to own it so cheap. Just own it. And then it's going to go from, what is this, 10, 9, 10, 9. You have the opportunity to go about 50% on your money on that trade. It's not bad at all. Nokia.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Daily, weekly buy. I would suspect it'll be done with this daily, weekly buy within the year. If you go out 3 to 6 months on your options, you should be okay with it. Or just buy the stock straight up.